How to buy ZAILGO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now to be able to buy this token, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. Now this token, it came under the Solana network. Now to be able to buy it, just click here to copy the token address. After that, open your Phantom wallet from here and now click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here to be able to add this token. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it, and now after that, type here how much you want to buy and as you can see, this is how much you receive that token from the provider. Just select one, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter providers to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues on your buy process, just go back to this page and click on the slip patch from here, switch it from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the ZAILGO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.